Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add the weather widget now. Confirm your device OS supports lock screen widgets and turn on location and background updates so forecasts are accurate. Next, go directly into Settings and open the Lock Screen or Widgets panel. This starts the actual placement flow. Tap Add or Edit to create a new lock screen profile, then choose Weather from the available widgets list. Once you tap Weather, you'll see size and data options. Pick one that fits your layout and needs. Once the Weather widget slot is open, select Size and Layout, small for glanceable temperature, medium for hourly, large for full forecast. Make sure you choose the correct data source, current location if you want automatic updates, or a saved city if you travel. Then set units and refresh frequency so the widget shows relevant details without draining battery. If offered, enable notifications for severe alerts. After configuring, preview it on the lock screen and confirm placement so it integrates neatly with your wallpaper and widgets. Finish by saving the lock screen layout and locking your device to verify the widget's appearance and live data. If the widget shows stale or missing information, first force close the Weather app and reopen it, then toggle location and background, refresh off and on to restart updates. If problems persist, reinstall the Weather app or reset its permissions. Finally, reboot the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: always check battery saver or data restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.